Attention. Dear Lithuania HQ crew, or whoever reads this message. This video was created to teach other producers some techniques using a little bit of humor. I don't want to harass, bully and make fun of anybody from Lithuania HQ, even if you are compas. JK. Hope you understand. Hello guys, today I will teach you how to make Lithuania HQ track. First of all, go to YouTube and type in free FLP Lithuania HQ Dinoro style, download any FLP, and release it on Lithuania HQ. Nope, I'm joking, hahaha. Firstly, just open FL Studio 20. Yes, FL Studio 20, because you won't be able to produce LHQ track in any other DAW. Set the BPM from 124 to 126. I will set it 128 though. Step 1. Generic release base. There is no way you will get your track on Lithuania HQ without release base in it. Just know, don't ask any questions. Second step, create a simple bass melody. You can add some extra abracadabra notes like Gorlando. But I will not add them, because I'm not Gorlin. Add some KSHMR snaps. Okay, that's enough for the break. Let's go straight to the build up. Sidechain the release base and search for some build up fills. I prefer KSHMR. Count from 1 to 3, scream I love Lithuania HQ and you will get your project filled with FX. Add Dinoro kick, Lucky Luke's claps and some toms. Actually, those claps are from KSHMR pack. Pick any bass preset from Serum, and make a groovy melody. Almost forgot to say that you need to set the swing to at least 50%. Shit. I just made a sad melody by Averus K. Let's try again. Okay, what I basically did, I just added some deep house male vocals. Here it is, you can now listen how real Lithuania HQ track sounds like.
She said we can crash and burn in paradise, would be nice. He said, don't you ever trust that girl's advice, think twice. I don't wanna think about it, got to set my worries free. If I'm flirting with the devil, would she wanna dance with me? And I'm sorry that you hate her, but I'm happy as can be, 'cause I'm dancing with the devil and she's coming home with me. I don't wanna think about it, got to set my worries free. If I'm flirting with the devil, would she wanna dance with me?
And I'm sorry that you hate her. Don't you dare to ask me FLB, cause I'm dancing with the devil and she's coming home with me.